So what's up sa inyo mga taas? For today's video, ikaasa lang ating bayaw. Ayun o, ayun o. Yeah, ready ka na ba ikasal, tol? Ready ka na? Alright. Isa. Sino ka dyan? Ano?
Bridesmaid.
Bridesmaids. Hey! For today's video mga taas.
You said forever and ever, period. I love you.
Mapapa?
Sana all.
Sana all. Oh.
Hello, dito ngayon tayo sa patio. Sita. Waiting for the visitors.
Waiting for the visitors. Ayun na yun yung ikakasal, oh. Hey. 4D, wag ka dyan, 4D. Si Little Boards na batang makulit. Ganda ka dyan. Atol, eh, wash out, wash out. Wash out, wash out. Uy. Usapang 4D. Oh, ano masasabi mo 4D? Dali. Iyay ka naman 4D. Dali na 4D, practice ka na 4D. Ha?
Ano kanta?
Wala ko maisip na kanta.
Wala, may ka mahiya. Nahiya ka naman eh. Yeah, mga groomsmen.
Meron yun. Meron siguro, yung by family.
Kailan?
Mamaya, pagtapos lahat.
Hey, outfit check. Outfit check.
Ikaw gumawa.
Hey.
Nandiyan na sila daddy mo. Bilis na niya saan?
Mga abo yan. Sabay-sabay na lang tayo. Sabay-sabay.
Rejoice and be glad in it. Every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of
We are very glad. We are very grateful to God that we are one with you in this beautiful place. In the presence of this gathered community, to declare your intention to this undertaking of faith, life, and love. And Carlos, are you willing to receive the Syrian as your wife, having full confidence that your abiding faith will with each other will last a lifetime?
Yes, I do.
Desiree, are you willing to receive Carlos as your husband, having full confidence that your abiding faith with each other will last a lifetime?
I do.
Okay, siguro. Okay lang. Kasi mahangin eh. Yung iba may iniisip. Okay? Family responsibilities and doing His will, both of you, na kanyang ibibigay sa inyo. May this always remind you the great love of God for you. Rose and Anne, actually, this is a bond of togetherness, being husband and wife. As they put this cord on you, may there be no one to separate you till death. Please come forward. Tapos yung veil sponsor, please. Kindly remove now. Watch out to the veil.
An, tanggapin mo itong singsing na to. Nakatunayan ng aking katapatan at pagmamahal sa iyo habang buhay.
Carlo, tanggapin mo ang singsing na ito. Ito ang aking patunay at ito ang aking patunay at sagisag ng aking buong pagmamahal at katapatan bilang asawa mo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak.
Tan, clear ka dyan, Tan.
Let me now present to you the newlywed couple, Fiesta. Another applause. Yung mas masigla naman po dyan. And now, Carlos and Ann, please face each other. You may now seal your love for, with a kiss this time. Gaano ba katagal? 10 seconds. Carlos, your official kiss. Husband to your wife. 5 seconds. Sir, tagalong mo tayo. 5 seconds.
One more. 5 seconds.
This time, after nag-kiss ng dab, kiss naman po kayo. Ayan. Okay, bilang na lang po. Tapos, pwede nyo na papalipan. Okay na kayo? And 3, 2, 1, go, lipad!
Hulas na ako.
Bakit? Oh.
Dito po tayo sa wedding ceremony from my daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Pakiwalay po tayo for our team bride. 7-8. Uy, wow! Lower pa! Camera yung nasa gitna!
Iba mo yun.
support niyo po sa amin ni Carlo. And thank you po at dream come true po talaga.
Tol, ito ko, lambot ng katawan mo ha. Grabe ka talaga. Grabe ka.
Maganda yung tabanan.
Hey, salamat sa pagsama mga taas.
Taas.
Sabi mo, hanggang sa muli, paalam.
Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!